Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to demo how to use R and R as ID, that is R Studio, and explore data from a CSV file. So let's go and download R software. Go to Google and type CRAN. So yep. Choose the first link. I'm using Windows laptop, so I'm selecting Windows option. Base one I am downloading. Select the base. Again the Windows option. It will be downloaded in a couple of minutes. Yeah, it's getting downloaded. It's done. Now let's download R Studio. It's ID for R. So type download R Studio and select the first link. You have paid version and free version also. So select the free version for our demo. I'm again using Windows laptop, so selecting Windows version. It's getting downloaded. Yeah, both the EXEs are ready here for the R and R Studio. First I'm going to install R. Double click on the setup file. Select all the default options. So I choose default options and click next and finish. You can create a shortcut to your desktop for your easiness. Now we installed R software. Let's move on to R Studio. Double click on the exe file. In this also I am selecting all default settings, so just click next. It's all done. Let's open up R GUI. R also have a basic GUI. You can see in the screen. You can use R console for a calculating operations like addition or division or any calculator functionality you can. do with our console. Now let me create a shortcut to desktop for R Studio and double click on R Studio icon. So this is our console for R Studio. Here also you can have those calculations, addition or division or subtraction, whatever. It will give the same result as the R GUI console. Before begin with our demo, we need a CSV file with enough data. So I am using New Zealand government's some annual report. It is available free for the public in their website. So I am using that here. It have a good amount of data, so I am using that. So I'm just downloading their annual report. It's a survey report of 2018. You can download from the net or you can use your own CSV file if you have anything. It's downloaded and the file name is annual. Just right click it and take the location from the property file, file properties. Okay. Now we are going to load that CSV here to a variable. So for that I am using our function read.csv of then that particular path with the file name. Make sure you use forward slash instead of backward slash. Make the changes. Slash file name. And assign it to, I am assigning here it to data underscore 1. Loading it to data underscore 1. So it's loaded. You can double click on that and you can fetch the record, or you can type view of data underscore 1. That also give the same result in your console. So this way we are selecting the entire columns of that CSV file. Now if you want to subselect a particular row, I will show you how to do that. So for that type data underscore 1, which we already loaded the data, means the CSV file is already loaded in that, data of the CSV file is already loaded in data 1. So we are just using that dollar symbol, then the particular row name. I'm selecting units here. And assign it to a variable. I'm mentioning it as unit underscore 1. It is loaded now. Let's examine what's there in unit underscore 1. For that view of unit underscore 1. Press enter. Yeah. So this way we can select a particular row alone from a loaded data. One more method is there to fetch the row alone. I will show you here. For that, I am using square bracket. So data underscore 1, which we already have the data. Open the square bracket, comma 3. 3 is nothing, the third third row fully I am going to load. Oh, sorry, I press enter by mistake. I have to assign it to a variable, so let's clear it and redo it. Data underscore 1, open the bracket, comma 3, assign it to data underscore 3. It's got loaded. Let's see what's there in data underscore 3. For that, again the same function we are using, view of data underscore 3. Yeah, the enter row, the third row, enter third row is listed in the data underscore 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this third row fully listed in that variable. So this is a basic way of exploring data using R. In coming videos, I will give more details of R operations. Thank you.